For a sewage pond, skimping on just a single layer of liner could cost you hundreds of thousands. Many people assume that simply digging a pit and constructing a basin is enough to contain wastewater. But did you know why is it that every legitimate sewage pond must be lined with a geomembrane? What exactly is it designed to prevent? Is it really that critical? The answer is actually quite simple. Soil is permeable. Once wastewater seeps downward, it enters the groundwater aquifer. And once contamination spreads, the damage is almost irreversible. A geomembrane serves as a completely impermeable barrier, a protective layer that securely locks the contaminants within the pond. Landfills, wastewater treatment plants, and livestock farms, every facility you see in these sectors utilizes geomembranes. It is the industry standard. Choose the right geomembrane, and a single upfront investment will serve you for decades. If you are currently working on a sewage pond project and are unsure about the appropriate thickness or how to make the right selection, let me know in the comments section below, or send me a direct private message, and I'll help you figure out exactly what you need.